Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google Workspace account. Use the admin or assigned work email and confirm two-step verification if prompted. Once signed in, make sure to set recovery options so you won't lose access later. Next, open Gmail, Drive, and Calendar and pin them to the sidebar for quick switching. This initial step prepares your environment and reduces friction. By doing it now, you avoid interruptions when you start building documents, scheduling, and sharing with your team. You'll now create and organize the files you need. Start by making structured folders in Drive with consistent names and colors so teammates find things fast. Once done, create docs, sheets, and slides and enable offline access and version history so edits are tracked and recoverable. Make shared drives for projects and assign viewer, commenter, or editor roles based on responsibility. This prevents accidental deletions and keeps ownership clear. Also, use templates and add-ons to speed repetitive tasks and standardize output across the team. You finish by sharing and automating routine work. Send files with precise permissions, add calendar events with meet links, and create tasks for action items. Once shared, set access expirations or restrict downloading when necessary to protect sensitive data. Then automate reminders with calendar notifications and use Gmail templates and filters to handle repetitive emails. If something goes wrong, clear your browser cache, recheck folder permissions, and restore a previous version in Drive. This usually fixes missing edits or access errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.